Class 8 NCERT Chapter 13 Question 3 in the following statement tick T which true and false F. The first is sound cannot travel in vacuum. This is true. B. The number of oscillations per second of vibrating object is called its time period. It's false. Because of a vibrating object whose number of oscillations per second is known as its frequency. The C is if the amplitude of vibration is large, sound is feeble. This is the false statement because the square of amplitude of vibration is proportional to the loudness of sound. D. For human ears, the audible range is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. True or false? This statement is true. Why? Because sounds of all frequencies are not audible to human ears. The range of frequency which are audible to human ears is between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. E. The lower frequency of vibration, the higher is the pitch. It is true or false? It's false because higher the frequency, higher is the pitch of sound. F. Unwanted or unpleasant sound is termed as music. This statement is also false because music is a melodious and pleasant sound which is pleasant to hear. G. Noise pollution may cause partial hearing impairment. The statement is true because noise are unwanted and unpleasant sounds